This guy brings his pet shape.
There are too many of them. What are we going to do? Oh my God.
Aspetta, Miki, scusa.
No, vabbè.
Signor gatto, se passa bene, se no... Oh, grazie. No. ¡Qué pasado!
Pintamos toda la casa y sin dejar caer una sola gota de pintura que no sea. ¿Qué es eso?
Okna, parapety, 1 stopień, dachy, dachy, więźby.
Look, Ma, no hands. God. He's climbing with his fucking teeth or what? Oh, fucking hell. This is brilliant. Michael Flatley, I'll kick your fucking ass, so I will.
À Paris, quand un amour fleurit, ça fait pendant des semaines de cœur qui se sourit, tout ça parce qu'ils s'aiment. À Paris, au printemps, sur les toits, les girouettes tournent et font les...
Where's the card?
I don't know, but no faces around that door, in that doorway.
Oh, brother. Okay, if we all work together, we can just drop him in. He's gonna come through that door. He's gonna go on to me.
No,
Help!
no, no,
Help!
no, 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 no! Drop him!
Nice!
Nice.
Yeah. Fuck
There's
you.
a brain.
Oh, brain time!
There's a brain.
What?
That's the noise.
Give me the sentry, give me the sentry. Oh. Come here. Oh. Okay. Тихо, я на тебя слишком заложил. Звонил.
Аллах Акбар.
Oh my god, stop! You are so funny.
Look at this handsome bastard on his horse. Who am I planning on romancing? Who do you think? Who do you think? I'm a complete fucking narcissist, for crying out loud. Obviously I'm going to try and fuck myself.
You look like a cut of fuckable meat, are you?
I think it is so rude, everyone just assumes we're gay.
But, Timon, we are gay.
I said it was rude. I didn't say it was wrong. Now, come on, we're gonna be late for brunch.
A song, my lord. Apple-bottom breeches, boots clad in fur. The halls gaze upon her. She descendeth the floor, and on the lady doth low, 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 low.
Hey, that could be a hit, actually. Hold on.
We're programming. Oh, Bubby found a problem. He's fixing it.
Sniper scouts up. I'm dead. Oh my god, no!
Era sabido que algún día un hijo de puta iba a pintar el dibujo como el coyote el túnel en la montaña. El que pintó el dibujo de la calle en la baranda del puente, un reverendo hijo de puta.
Please take a shit on that fucking Cybertruck. Please, Seagull. Please take a shit on the Cybertruck. Please take a shit on the Cyber. The Seagull took a shit! The Seagull took.
Put your hands up, man.
Okay, let me put my weapon down.
What's your name?
Cricket. Can I band-aid?
Band-aid yourself. Don't do anything, brother. I kept you alive, okay?
Alright, okay.
Where are you from, bro? Say again, man?
As soon as I tell you where I'm from, you're gonna kill me.
I could have killed you before. I let you live, alright, man?
Yeah, well, I'm French.
Regardless of where he was from, I was killing him. I couldn't put up with that mic, guys. I'm so sorry. War is unpredictable on Hell Let Loose. I want to get out of here. I want to get home, guys. I can't do this anymore. I'm scared. I'm scared.
You listen here to me, Sonny Jim. You listen here. I've been in the trenches for 4 years, 3 days, 17 hours, and 14 minutes. I've seen men die, bullets fly, and women cry. You are going to make it home. It is going to be okay. Some people call this a war. I call it a goddamn holiday.
Oh, no!
It's whitest turn right now.
You ready? You ready? You ready? You got him. Okay, wait, he's chasing him. You ready? You ready? Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Detonate! 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 Detonate!
Let's go get the snow.
What does this button do, by the way? This is a new button. Oh, it's a radio station. That's sick. What the fuck? Let's just turn it off. Let's just turn it off. Let's just turn it off.
I'm skibbity toilet.
No! Please!
Hey!
Yeah.
How many cc's is that?
It's 650.
Isn't that a big bike for a little girl?
No. Isn't that a large SUV for such a tiny man? Have a day.
Setting down support weapon.
Hurry up, hurry up.
But can you please explain why you want to kick me out?
Now, you asked Kylo Ren to choke you with the Force Daddy.
Is that unallowed?
I can physically interact with everyone in VR. So if I wanted to, I can grab your leg and climb up at you.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, hey.
Now how sick is that? Watch this next part. Here we go.
That was so good.
So anything we do, it like physically interacts with each other. It's actually really sick.
Okay.
Oh, if you could commit one crime and it never gets committed ever again, what would you do?
One crime. I need some time to think about that. You go first.
Oh, dude, that's easy for me. I would probably lie in court. That way, no one would ever lie in court again. What about you, man?
I get it now. The kids should be safe, right? Someone's got to do it.
It's easier than you might expect to draw a shark. Start with a circle and
I'll take his word for it.
off the bottom. Before you draw the scary shark face, make a tail using this simple technique. Start your shark face with a big V and 2 C's underneath. After 2 years of making...
Don't take his word for it. It is not that easy to draw a shark. Like, what happened, man?
Oh, Scott, flip it 3 times, then flip it into the oven.
Into the oven.
Yes, sir.
What's next?
What else could you draw? What do you think about drawing?
Realistic.
Alright.
How long did it take you?
10 minutes.
Okay.
What do you think?
Good.
Thank you.
Can I erase a bit?
Oh, poor Omni-Man. He's not erasing.
Oh, cool. Keychains. Oh, look. Little dolphin. Oh. Oh. Dog. What does that sound like? Okay. Okay. What's the koala do?
Box has a lot of smiley faces on it. Don't look at me like that. What is this? What is in here? Ooh, pink! Oh, it's a unicorn horn? Bro, they sent a unicorn horn! Ah! 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 This is not wait, they can't be on my stream!
Hai veduto e vissuto con te, adesso sì li vivrò con te, partirò su navi per mari che io lo so, no, no, non esistono più, con te io li vivrò. Quando sei lontana sogno all'orizzonte e mancan le parole.
Camden, what are you doing over here? Are you doing Duolingo? You're doing
Maybe. A cow. Oh, you're a cute little guy. That appears to be udders, which means milk, which means butter. Oh my god. I can just milk you right now. Stop everything. So let's go ahead, add in the animal, put in the cow. Why are you laying down like that? It appears that the cow has decided it no longer desires to live. An utter tragedy. Hello there, little buddy. I need you to come with me pronto. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Attempt number 2, team. Let's give it a second shot. We did it, team. I need you. It's a lot of weight, by the way. 144 out of 14. I just threw that cow in my pocket. Don't ask how that works, team. All right, well, it's time to butcher up the cow we got, team. Where's the cow? Ah, there it is. Perfect. We got the cow. Oh my god, we can gather leather. I've never done this before. This is so new to me. Removing. All right, we'll just leave that there for now. Yeah, he might not be all...
Holy shit, how did he survive? Please tell me someone's recording this.
I am.
He's dead, he's gonna walk into him.
He's just taking
our shit. He straight up just robbed him.
to get our bodies, though. I feel kind of...
a spare change of underwear.
All right.
You can dig there? Why am I doing this? I just dug a hole in this for no reason.
I told them to dig a hole for behind the barn, and I'm still waiting.
Wait, you mean the outhouse back there? I've already done that.
Oh yeah, I did do that.
Good Lord, were you just digging through that out of boredom? What were you looking for? No, you know what?
This game is amazing. I really did dig a random hole out there.
Still have work to do.
The first day I played this game, I was running around with a shovel and I randomly dug a hole. That is game of the year type. Like, that is so good.
Стой, нажми
Я
Q.
несу клоуна.
Нажми Q.
Нажал.
Клоун.
Я несу Митю.
А чё? Алло! Алло!
Митя! Митя! Митя, срочно сюда! Мить, иди сюда! Мить, иди, нет, отпусти! Открывай парашу! Открывать парашу! Давай!
Пошел нахуй, ебать, научил тебя, ебать. Давай, парашу нахуй. Давай, блядь,
Hey guys, this is an Ikakalaka sword, also called a Konda sword. It is a sword of African origin, and it is a sword that my D&D character wields in a Chains of Asmodeus campaign. Now, I didn't remember how to describe it, and this is what happened. It is as long as his legs are. It is black obsidian, wrapped in leather at the hilt. The crossguard, it doesn't even really have a crossguard because it is so... It's just so wide and girthy. It has cracks along the blade that are almost like veins or rivulets of pure acid that have been seared into the blade from attacking enemies, from penetrating through thick hides of monsters and dragons alike. It is curved at the tip in the way that swords like in the real world, like Ekopesh sorta is, where it's straight edge, but then at the tip it just sort of curves a bit to create that to have both the slashing and piercing effects of a weapon.
I walked into the men's bathroom in the cinema. It's fucking loaded. Everyone's in there. But I very quickly realized, because I'm average height, it means that I am taller than 50% of the people in there. So I realized I could like stop smiling and just stone face everyone, and that, like, I just go, I benefited from honest-to-God homophobia. They didn't not like me. They were genuinely scared. I walked towards a urinal. People moved. I went for a sink, and this guy was like 5'6", and I looked down at him. We're both walking towards the same sink, and he just moved. He got scared. He moved out the way. He looked at me just like this. I think it's just he didn't know what the fuck I was, so he was just like, Jesus, I'm not gonna fuck with that. I'm gonna mess with him.
Goodbye, life. Oh, there it is. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt. Don't let me stop you. I think you'll find the safety cage is on. Oh, eat lead, you man-stealing slut!
No, I'm okay. No. No. I'm okay. I'm okay. No.
俺の名はドン・キホーテ・ドフラミンゴ
If people from the US smile,
Where are you going with this?
then does that mean that people in Europe skilometer?
Oh my god.
No, but it's a serious
No,
question.
it's not a serious question.
Because
You keep
I
doing this.
need to understand.
You keep doing this.
Why?
And every time.
Take a look at your pal Rudy. This is before. This is after. Before. After. You see any difference?
Can I see before again?
I did it.
Money, money, money. It's all mine.
If not himself, then he.
Get fucked! Fuck you! If you don't do what we say, Charlotte's here and it no, not right you.
Ow, 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 ow.
Somebody's watching me, is my anxiety.
Fun 757 fact. If you're ever fueling a 757 on top of a 10-foot ladder and the wind blows your ladder over, you can grab onto this hose and slide down it like a fireman pole. It'll hold your weight. Don't ask how I know.
Oh, you college-educated bastard.
Twitter's the only place where you can say, punching newborn babies is bad, and someone somehow will disagree with you.
Hold on. Hold on. There was somebody above me. Oh.
Hit me. Are you sure, man? Yeah, I'm going for a 5-card hand. Come on. Okay. Here. I'm a stick. What you got? How would I know? You tell me. Not good, man. You got 47. Damn. You're bad luck for me, you know? When I play the other guys, I always win.
Boss, take a look at these 2 chips.
One's a fake. That's amazing. You didn't even touch him. No, I just took a guess. Why else would he come in with 2 chips and sound so worried?
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
Name's Lamprecht, and I'm the best swordsman in this whole fucking kingdom, as you're about to find out.
Mä en tiennyt, että täällä oikeesti olisi tämmönen. Wow, mitä tapahtuu? Mitä tapahtuu?
Muchachos, tengan cuidado. Ha sacado un artefacto extraño.
Cerveza cristal. Cerveza cristal.
Yeah. Oh my God, Ling's in the main.
Go, go, go.
He needs a drone collection.
This is enough to kill that. Yeah, he can kill these sun colonies right now. It just really depends on the drones glitching on the zealots.
Well, he's got pretty good drone glitching, to be honest. And with the Lings coming down here.
He's getting the drones behind the zealots, right-clicking in his main base, and then when they move over the zealots, stops them.
Oh, I can believe that, man. Zealots just, there's a reason. Oh my God, no he's not. No he isn't.
Oh my
no, he isn't.
God.
This is insane. This is the, oh my God. This beautiful human being, I can't even, this is the most important, listen everybody, this is the most important thing that's happening on the internet anywhere in the world.
He won't keep doing it though. He keeps.
Will he not?
No, he's doing it at times when you don't need to, and then he's gonna put
Let's
it down.
see.
Are you that flexible in control? Can you do that?
Hell no.
No, I mean like. I feel like I would get a cramp very quickly doing that.
I'll tell you what, I think he's got a great looking thigh too. Okay, I'm impressed in every way.
You gonna come out and say it?
This is a beautiful human being. He is playing with, this is literally a joke that people would use in StarCraft. It'd say, I can beat you playing with my feet.
Yeah,
this is actually a thing that I don't know if they throw it around in Korean.
Oh my God. Day9, talk to me, man. You just have had your face in your hands.
Okay, like, there's no,
Let him kill the president and remarry the president's
I feel
wife.
like I'm watching a man die right now.
I don't know, Nick. I've never had someone play with their feet against me.
Well,
I don't know how you escalate from here.
Wow, look at Larva can't even hide his smile.
Oh my God, I can't believe. Okay, so Larva.
Wow.
Is gonna. He's
Wow.
trying not to laugh. He's pulling his face down. Oh my God.
Wow.
Well, I mean, goodness.
It's the motherfucking